How to give apps access to photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and go to Photos. Photos may contain data associated with location, depth information, captions and audio. Over here you can view all the apps and whether they have access to photos or not. Tap on any app from here. For example, Black Hole. As you can see, this app does not have access to photos. If you want to allow access, then tap on Full Access below. Tap on Allow Full Access to confirm. This app now has full access to your photos. Now, go back and tap on another app. If you want to allow only limited access for this app, then tap on Limited Access. This means that this app will only have access to selected photos. Here, select the photos and videos you want to give access to from your camera roll. After that, tap on Done. You can repeat this to give photos access to the other apps as well. Following these steps, you can easily give apps access to photos on iPhone.